All right, so today's lesson, everyone should have 131 prefixes are bi, mis, mono, pent, quad, re, and tri. Okay, prefixes all have meaning, right? Is that a word? It's not a word, but it has meaning for it. It's not, bi is not a word, but it has meaning. Bi, I want you to write what the meaning is up here. Bi means the word, the number 2. Okay, it means 2. So put by the word by, it means 2. So you can put the word 2 or the number 2. Okay, mis means like opposite. It's not what it is. It's the opposite of something. That's what mis means. Okay, mono is kind of weird. You might not know this one. Mono, has anyone ever been to Disney World before? And did you go on the monorail at all? Do you know what the monorail is? Okay, Disney World, there's this it's like a train of sorts. It has a monorail. It has one wheel. That's why it's called a monorail. So mono, what do you think mono means? It means 1. 1, or you can just put the number 1. Yeah? No. This next one, pent. Pent is one of my favorites. Did you guys get to learn polygons last year in 1st grade? Oh, I love these. Pent is means the number 5. You can write 5. A pentagon is a shape with 5 sides. So here's a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a pentagon. How about quad? That means a number. Does anybody know what quad means? Melanie, do you know? It does. Good job. It means 4. F-O-U-R. Or you can do 4. A quadrilateral in math class is something with 4 sides. So a square. Or what is that? Rectangle. Those are both quadrilaterals because they have 4 sides. Re means like again. Means like again. And then who thinks that, so Addie, I want you writing all these up there because if you don't know what these mean, the words aren't going to make sense. And then who thinks they know what tri means? Olivia, what do you think tri means? 3. Good, it does. It means the number 3 or 3. So you can write the number or the word form. Okay. So these are all prefixes. They go in front of the words and we box them in. Now, when you have a prefix, do you need to code the prefix? No, you just need to know that it's a prefix, so you box it. When we had our test last Friday, a lot of us were coding them and not boxing them, so we got a lot of those wrong. All right, so number 1, go ahead and say monoplane. Monoplane, so mono is our prefix. We don't code it. We just know mono means what? 1. Mono means 1. So 1 plane is going to be like 1 plane. It's like math. It's like a surface. Okay, and then let's go ahead and code our long A and no E sound. Monoplane. Yes, Emma. No. Number 2 is trigraph. So tri is your prefix. All you need to do is box it. Very simple. Okay, and then a is short like apple, and then our digraph. Okay. Number 3 is biceps. Bi is the prefix. That's all you do. And then a lot of us were forgetting, how do you code a C when it sounds like an S? You make the little C at the bottom. So it's the S sound and then F. And then our S is plural, biceps. You box in the suffix. Number 4 is giant. Like J. So J. I. A. How should that A be coded? Short. I. A. Giant. Okay, number 5 is versatile. This one's a little trickier. Sa. How does that A sound? Does it sound like a short? Sound like an A? A? Or Very careful. Every vowel can sound like and that's what it is. Versatile. What?
Yeah.
Oh, and giant. Yep, she's right. Vowel, ant, giant. Separate. Thank you. Okay, for number 5, versatile. This one's a little tricky. How does that I sound? Is it a long I? Versatile? Versative? No. Or is it schwa?
Yeah.
It's also schwa. And cross out the E. Okay, versatile, 3 syllables. A lot of us on our test don't separate your words. So we have there. We've got our vowel, consonant, vowel. That one's pretty easy. Versa, and then tol is one of our endings there. Tol. And actually, we do this. Tol. And you could just go consonant, vowel. Versatile. Okay, I'm not going to count you off if you don't do these, but you need to separate the consonants. How many consonants? Versatile. 3. So you need to show 3 syllables. Yes, Fox?
Did you forget the apostrophe by the E?
Versatile. Yes, you can. I won't count you off that one, but yeah, versatile. Okay, and then number 6, uncommon. Un is a prefix we've learned before, so that is boxed in. We've got the K sound, ka, so that is short. Common. That one's pretty hard. Who thinks they know what that one is? Is it come on? It's that. It's real subtle. And then we have vowel, consonant, vowel. It's right there. All right. I would like for you to write sentences about something you have learned this year in school. Give me 2 sentences about something you have learned this year in school. On the back, what do you mean? No, you can get 2 sentences on there. Just 2. Okay, so real quick, write me 2 sentences